Icy colors like the northern lights pirouette across your summer dress. There was an ounce of Scandinavia in the way your dark blonde hair fell past your neck. There wasn't a perfect philharmonic, just the birds above our heads. There wasn't a Turkish threaded carpet, just a blanket checkered red. But there was a Serengeti wideness to the silence after everybody left. Visions in my head, yeah. Just sitting here thinking that I've never been around the world, but now I got it all inside. So come and close your eyes, forget the reasons why we ever wanna leave this house. If we could go around the world tonight, I could see LA in the way you smile, New York in the way you didn't care. I could see Tokyo lights in the moonlit sky, Paris through light bulbs strung in the air. I could see Scotland green in the backyard. We were lying on that drum. We had a Cape Town table, mountain top with cheapest takeout food. And I could hear Cairo streets and the sound of the trees, and Mumbai in the distant city tune. When I saw that view,